We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up SIGA. We are on the monthly time frame, price action, last candle in the market to the right hand side is a bullish candle, is a huge long bullish candle. So we got to figure out what's going on in that area. Before we do, let's break down the charts. Price action, last candle in the market, highest high of that area, which is price at 1240. But we're looking to create levels. So price action, highest high of the levels. Price action, lowest low overall. Gauging the top to the bottom, still grabbing our midpoint line. Okay, let's discuss what we see overall in the market. So we can see that price action started off at an area of support, pushed up from like a W here. So we did receive the break-in retest of that midpoint. We did receive a green bullish engulfment pattern that broke up through that second level highs for that break-in multiple retests. And now we're looking for price action, which price action did break the overall highest high SR line. The only thing we didn't follow up with is a retest to see if that market's going to come back down, a retest to push back up further or drop all the way back down or to the midpoint. So let's take a look at a few things that can be happening in that market. So if this market is going to push up for incline for the W, so we'll be looking for that first, second, third, and we can see that W formation that form. So after W, we do look for a retest. We look for that market to come back to retest. We look for us to receive that engulfment pattern in that area, green bullish candle, that's going to push that market up further. If not, we can be running to an area rejection for that first leg, second leg, long third leg, and market spikes down for the fourth leg. We'll find an M pattern in that area. So you also got to be aware of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the seventh candle in the market is a long spike up to the high. Could be turning that market around for the decline as we walk down the market, walk down the time frame. Headed down to the weekly time frame, let's see what's going on in that area. So weekly time frame, we can identify the same thing as the monthly. We have a huge bullish green solid candle. Okay, we don't see any rejection. We don't even see any side-by-side candles showing that the market is going to come down. Okay, we do see that W a lot clearer. I was looking at it as an overall first, second, third, fourth, many retests with the second last candle, and market pushed up. Overall, coming from a triple bottom, double bottom and a retest, or single or double bottom and a retest. Headed down to the daily time frame to see what we see. Okay, we did receive a retest of the highest high line. So let's draw out what we see. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest 1, retest 2, retest 3. That's already 3 pushes to the top. Market can still push up more and more with bullish green candle. If not, market's coming back down. Price actions to retest of that SR line, so that's the push. So we're going to see what's happening as we walk down the time frame. May not need to identify a retest, because we do see one on a daily time frame. Headed down to the 4. So in the 4-hour time frame, we have price action bullish, second last candle bullish. This area is coming from a break and retest. Let's draw what we see. So just paying attention to this area here for the support, first, second, overall, third. Market push up for the fourth. Third to last candle is a retest. Okay, the fourth to last candle is the break of that market pushing up. Third to last candle is a retest. And the price action second last candle is a push up. So we did receive the break and retest of that area. Let's head down to a 3-hour time frame. So market's still working its way up. Price action is a bullish candle, did engulf the previous second last candle body and wick. So that's showing that the market can be identified for it to push up further unless we get some rejection or side-by-side candles in that area. Headed down to the 2, same as well. We see more retesting areas. Let's keep drawing out what we see. So we did know market came from this W first, second, third, fourth. Retest 1, retest with the red candle, and market pushed up 2, retest 3. So market still reading 3 pushes to that top. Still got one more to go. Same as well here. We can see that first, second, third, fourth retest, and market pushed up once after the SR line. So price action is bullish, still can push up further. Why? Price action is above the second, third last candle and fourth to fifth last candle in the market, which all these candles are considered dojis, not dominant at all. Trying to figure out what it's going to do. Also, we do know that because we do see the candles side by side, which created that area of consolidation. Headed down to the 45-minute. Same as well. So price action golfing the second, third, fourth last candle in the market. Price action is all reading the same thing. Price action is all that green bullish candle. Don't even see a retest or side by side. Market's working his way up. Just trying to draw out structure for you guys. Coming down in green, coming down in red. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Retest 1, retest 2. Okay, so we can see that W forming incline. So we should be receiving a break and retest. If the market does come back and retest, come back and retest here. So we did receive the break with this candle. Market coming back and retest this area here to work its way up. If it doesn't, it's coming down for the first leg, second leg, third leg, and market push down for that fourth, which you'll see an M pattern. If not, we can receive that's price action high, that area low, midpoint. So we can receive a consolidation at the top of that SR line, or at the bottom of that SR line, if price comes back down in that area, or overall at the top of that SR line, or at the bottom of that SR line that we created on the 45-minute. Headed down to the 30-minute, same as well. So price action still green bullish candle engulfing the whole overall previous side, which is a retest. Headed down to the 15. Green bullish candle. So second last candle is very dominant. Close out this opposite end for price to push up further. So price can still keep on pushing up. If price come back down and we do get some, if we do receive some rejection in that area, we just break the chart down as a midpoint, high, low, midpoint somewhere in here. So if price going to come down, we're looking for maybe a rejection at this area here or further up for market to come back down this area to push back up. If not, we'll just get that decline, break and retest, and market's coming down. Headed down to the 5. Okay, price is still working its way up. Price action candle, definitely bullish green, dominated the second last candle, and for sure they can push that market up because it dominated the third to last candle market, not just the third to last candle, but the wick. So if price close out above this wick of the third to last candle, it can still push up further. Okay, so what happened with the market, we probably identify the second last candle as a retest as we walk down further if it's time, or maybe identify later on. But what third to last candle did was spike up. Second last candle was a retest. Price action is a push. Headed down to the 3. And we can see identify the retest right here. So that's the break, market the retest, and that's the push. So I did say that we did identify it on a 3-minute time frame. We seen it on the 5, identified it on the 3, and headed down to the 1. Now we can see some structure. So if structure supported here, we can see that multiple first, second, third, fourth retest. Market pushed up once, so market could push up further coming from that triple bottom. If not, it could be rejected from this area here for multiple pushes. First, second, third, fourth. Market's coming down after 4 pushes to the top. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. SIGA stock.